Welcome, survivors! In this episode, we'll go over all the prerequisites and tools you'll need to start modding Project Zomboid. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the prerequisites. 1. A copy of Project Zomboid. I have mine on Steam. 2. Basic knowledge of Lua programming. It's not necessary that you have basic knowledge of Lua, but it would be an advantage. 3. A text editor, like Notepad++ or what I will be using, Visual Studio Code, for this tutorial. Now, let's download and set up Visual Studio Code. Go to Google and search Visual Studio Code. For me, it was the first one in the list, and then click Download. Select the one that is relevant for your operating system. And once it's done downloading, follow the installation instructions relevant to your operating system. Next, we will install some plugins to make our coding experience a little bit smoother. Open Visual Studio, and on the left side, go to the Extensions tab and search for PZ Wallet and hit the install. Then next, search for ZScript and hit install. And that's it for the prerequisites and tools setup. In the next episode, we'll set up our project and get everything ready for coding. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next time, survivors. Okay, let's get the show on the road. Or what I'll be using, a text editor like Notepad++. 3. A text editor. Go to Google search. Then on the first link that should be, select the one for you, and once it's done, and don't forget to like, subscribe,